Hey guys, this is Angel Nisi and welcome to Angie's Artwork. I think after a long I've made this video and what I've got to show you is these oil pastels that are quite economic. Let's open this now. Um, these colors are quite economic, guys, and if you are a beginner you should definitely go for it. And these colors are not just economic and not good to use, but these are really soft oil pastels. Like it isn't written there soft, but it is soft. Okay, so it costs about 100 rupees. Let's open it. Yeah, so we got one scrapper also, and these colors are quite vibrant, guys. I think you should go for it. And I'll also tell you another substitute for these. You can go for camlin also, but you know ultramarine blue this is. But in case of camlin, I don't find it much soft, but Tom's or Doom's, what do you call it, is quite soft. And let's get started with this, how to use it. Okay, so just stay tuned and I'll just catch you back in a few minutes, guys. Guys, I'm almost done with the oil pastel drawing, and if you like this and you want more videos on the art supplies that I use and which are economic, which are of the various qualities of which I use and how I use them, how as a beginner you can start them, those all I will be posting in my upcoming videos. So do consider liking the video if you liked it, and do subscribe if you think you love my videos. And till then guys, Hakuna Matata.